Bitcoin will pump to $70,000. It's just a matter of time. You want to know why? You want to know the last information about the crypto world? Then smash the like button. This is CriptoNews, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo Arnedo. Today, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, but we just echo this tweet from Crypto Rover. Bitcoin will pump to 70K. It's a matter of time. The idea here is that liquidity is ahead of us, and eventually Bitcoin will go down. Will go down there. I mean, it will go up. That's not now, even though in the last hours we are going a little bit up, because we are in a trend where we were going down. You can see the weekend wasn't a good one. And we also touched 57,243. We broke the line of 60,000, of course, and we are watching Bitcoin just like a ping pong match where we are between $63,000 and $58,000 and back and forth, and there's no way, we have no resolution whatsoever. Eventually it will, but you can see that we are mostly there. What do you think? Maybe we will go here to touch the support lines, or we are going to try another attempt of breaking the 60K. Time will tell. Remember to watch all the videos and smash the like button if you want to know. In the monthly, finally, we have an August officially in the red, and officially you can see that we are down from the line of 60,000, which is not good. Right now, also, we are down, but it's quite interesting, in my opinion, that if we go all the way down to the highs that we have in 2021, you can see that yellow line where we had the bottom, the close for that candle, and it coincides with this local top here, and also with here the body of these two candles. So mostly we are kind of finding support zone, so that's okay in opinion of Titan of Crypto and myself. I'm not expert, I have no idea what's gonna happen, but you can see that we're still okay allegedly. And maybe even we are really good, because remember that we close really close to the 7.49 we had in 2016. If so, we might have 4 months now in the row in the green. I told you about that, and how September usually is a very bad month, but then it comes October. As you can see, this chart, 2020, 2022, 2023, bad September, good October. Well, I told you all about that in previous videos. Watch them all. Now, August may be following this path of 2016. You have this chart commented also in that video. September now attempting to have a green one. We'll see about that. And remember, I also projected all the wins that we might have if we follow 2016, 2015, or 2023. So again, it seems that we are ready for going up. And the craziest thing today, in my opinion, is this chart I shared with you a long time ago. Remember the death cross here? This is 2023, the ghost pattern. And you can see that we are following almost exactly this pattern. So right now we might go a little bit up and then down and then up, down. But October and November are gonna be crazy if we follow this. Maybe because of the election in United States, we might go up like crazy, because in 17 days, we have the decision of the Fed. So maybe we FOMO into that decision. Then we might go down if the decision is not good, or just the case because we are FOMOing right now. So then everybody has voted already. And 64 days to election day. So very important. As important as Russia now started to use Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies for international transactions. They can do that as fast as today. And we have gaps, positive gaps in the CME futures. So you can see we have one now in the $59,000. We are, as I'm recording, going to close it, I believe. And then we want to go to 62,000. You can see we have so many gaps in recent times. That means that we are in a volatile time right now with Bitcoin. But consider that the last time whales bought a lot of Bitcoin, it hit a new all-time high. It seems that whales are buying as much as in 2020, and we know what that means. And it seems that retail people like you and me, they don't want to know anything about Bitcoin, no Bitcoin whatsoever. They don't want to buy at 57K, but then they regret it at 74K. This is the history that repeats once and again. And you can see here that, yeah, this retail is not giving us demand right now. But Bitcoin and chill is what Michael Saylor is telling us, because the bull run 2.0 might be incoming. We might have one as we had the last one with a bottom, local top, and monthly consolidation, local top and monthly consolidation, and then the bull run 2.0 as we had it. Any case, consider that if you saved dollars in the past 24 years, you lost almost half of your purchasing power. That's why you need to output of fiat and opt in into Bitcoin. That's Lark Davis' opinion. And Titan of Crypto that believes that 110,000 for Bitcoin is possible, it's on the way, and it's because the cap and handle pattern is still in play. We are asked for a little bit more of patience. Consider also that Bitcoin has outperformed gold over the past 5 years. So no fiat, no gold, so plan accordingly. That would mean, of course, Bitcoin. That is being used already in El Salvador. You can see it here being used on an Starbucks, little by little, even though that the market is in fear, 26 right now, and that we have this engulfing flum candle finally in the weekly. This is not good. This means change of the trend. The trend was going up, so we might go down right now. We'll see about that. According to Matthew Hyland, we are okay as long as we don't go under 56,100. So we are not right now quite there. We still have more room. If we lose this line, well, we have to change the narratives. But right now we have strong support in 57K. We have then that line. We have also this other dotted line. We still have some supports. And we'll see day by day. Consider this week, today markets are closed for Labor Day in United States, open in Asia. China went down, Japan went down, but gold and Bitcoin going up. Why is that? Dollar going down a little bit, and all the cryptos out there, all the bubbles in the red. You can follow all that, of course, with textools.io, and remember, you have the link in the description below to learn to use this app. And we are going to be with our sponsors on Palexco A Coruña, 13-14 September 2024. So if you want to be with us there and learn a lot, you have a 30% discount on your tickets with the code FUNRIDE24. So consider using it, and we'll see what we learned there. We learned about situation with Telegram, situation with X, that fight for the freedom. Toncoin keeps on going down after Durov arrest, and Mustacher here trying to remain optimistic, saying this is the chart of altcoins altogether, and we are in the line, so we are still okay. We might keep on going up with a new altcoin season. What about the drama we have with Elon Musk and Alexander, here represented as Voldemort and Elon Potter? This is created with AI, of course. It's funny to watch what can now do with all this, and wondering what will happen with the fight between these two. Brazil searches for VPN are going parabolic. If you want to use X on Brazil now, you need a VPN, but be careful if you're caught, because allegedly Justin Morris is threatening Brazilians who use a VPN to access X, which fines up to 9,000 a day. And Elon Musk saying that the Brazilian people will learn of his crimes no matter how much he tries to stop it. Also trolling a little bit more, asking if he should launch an X VPN to allow access to X from anywhere in the world via Starlink. Ethereum closed in the red also. We told you in previous videos, watch it if you miss it. And now we are a little bit scared because Ethereum Foundation is moving. Ethereum is selling like $10 million, some things like that. But allegedly, Vitalik Buterin said that he is not selling for personal reasons. This is just for development, etc., as always. But we know that ever since Vitalik got a girlfriend, Ethereum has been dumping. We know how it works, of course. This is Ethereum's daily chart. We can recover enough. Maybe we need Vitalik to leave that relationship. But Matthew Hyland here telling us that in the last time we had a bull run, 2020, Ethereum was down 60% at that point. Now we are just 49%. So first, maybe Ethereum needs to go a little bit lower, and then we will have our bull run. And it is news today that Cardano's hard fork is successful, is already here, and we celebrate it by validating with us on Fanon. If you want to help us, come with us to this pool. Fanon, the best one out there, in my opinion. And this is the chart. Remember that we had the hard fork Alonso, then Vasil, and then Voltaire. And be careful because we went all the way down 85% from one to the next. From Vasil to Voltaire right now, we just went like 44, 47%. So we'll see what happens after Voltaire. Maybe it's the hard fork that turns things to the other way around. Remember, you have a 10% discount if you use coin tracking, our partners, lovely partners that make things free for you and even cheaper. Use the link in the description and track your portfolio. And also use the link to Trezor. Can you guess what's there? Well, it's of course self-custody. Maybe you guess it, maybe not. What you have to guess is how to be secure in the crypto world. And this is with Trezor, of course. Again, link in the description below. You have so many videos in our platform, in our website, in our YouTube channel to learn how to be safe. You need to use the best technology. Consider that on this day, on the 20th, Nokia 3310 was released. So many things have changed. But maybe if you're old enough, you know how to use this cell phone and send codes crypted like this. Now, of course, Trezor is best. But with this technology, you can say buy Bitcoin. Maybe you guessed it already using that cell phone. And what about this? Coinbase has conducted its first cryptocurrency payment between two AI agents. So, of course, AI needs money, and it's going to be digital. It's going to be Bitcoin and Ethereum, in my opinion. I tell you everything about AI in another channel, AI News, and it's going really well there. We have 60,000 followers already. Thank you very much. And the videos recently going to 2K, which is awesome. Thank you for your support. Remember to leave a comment telling me if you like it, if you don't, and what do you want me to talk about. Ask me whatever you want so I learn how to help you. Also, what about this video? Is this AI or is this reality? What's going on? It seems that this cat and this dog live together in an apartment, but also they have then a guest. There's a mouse living there, and the mouse also has a living room, a piece of cake there, but also has a guest. Who's that guest? Well, there you can see we have a spider living under that place. This is crazy stuff, as crazy as this girl is, loving crypto, loving AI, loving our channels, loving our community. Do not get too crazy like this woman and try to chill and relax like Michael Saylor told us in today's video. Of course, keep on learning about AI or about crypto here with us. AI News, CriptoNews, Rodrigo Arnedo, fun on the ride, health, money, love, poor in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!